Hi, welcome to Coffee with Coatney. I'm Terry Coatney, and today we are continuing on the subjects of the home buying process, and there's quite a few steps. So you've decided that you want to buy a home. Well, the very first thing that you need to do is to get your finances in order, find out what your credit score is, because your credit score relates to the mortgage rate that you're going to get and the type of mortgages that are available to you. So there's a couple of mortgage companies here in town who will help you with that. Even on the phone, you provide them with certain information. They'll tell you what your credit score is. And if your credit is not is what it should be or is too low, they can actually tell you the things that you need to do to start making that credit score go up. So, let's just say that you have a good credit score and you're ready to buy a home and you've applied to one of these mortgage companies or to a bank of your choice, whatever, and they will give you a range of what you should look for in a home. And one of the things I always tell my clients is, you may be qualified for 300 or 400,000, but you don't want to be house poor, not horse poor, but house poor. And so it's important to try to really figure out what you're going to do. There's calculators online where you can figure out, once you know what your credit score is and what kind of rate you're going to get, you can actually punch it into the internet and you can find out what your house payment would be for each one of those increments that you could buy in. And that's important. The other thing that you want to think about too as you buy or get ready to buy a house is you don't want to do anything to make your credit go down. So you don't want to increase any debt. No great big purchases, because it's all about the ratio between your debt and your income. So if you have any questions about how to go about all of this, or have any more details that you'd like to hear about, just give me a call and we'll chat. So this is Terry Coatney, and you can reach me at 248-535-3559, and I hope everybody has a great day.